Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this tutorial, I will take you through the steps necessary to duplicate an existing page and grab the layout. So in this case, we will be grabbing the layout from the giving page and creating a new page that is not part of the main navigation so that we can link to it from this particular page. So here are the steps. We'll go ahead and you can either click into the dashboard and go to new page, or you can click here from the admin toolbar and hover over new, click on page. We'll add a title, and we could say, since this is a specific giving page, Big Dreams Ahead Giving. Now we don't really have to do much over here. One preference that I have is to change the order so that the page order will not show up on top when you view pages. That's the only reason for doing that. Next step is to click on Use the Divi Builder. It will then prompt us to choose one of three options. You can either build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, and those are pre-built layouts that come with the builder, which are not standard to the site, and then clone existing page. In this case, we'll want to click on Clone Existing Page. And we can see here, there is the online giving page, donation. So let's select the online giving page. That should be the correct one, and click on Use this layout. It'll actually import and make an exact copy of the layout. From here, we can safely assume that everything's been duplicated, so we can then click Publish. Once we've published, it will still be a hidden page. It's not added to the navigation unless you go to Appearance menus and add it to the site navigation. So if you wish to hide this page from showing up in search results, you'll want to click on Rank Math SEO, click Advanced, and make sure that no index is checked. If you do want it to show up in search engines, then you'll want to check the box for index. Now that the page is published, we may want to right click on it, open link in new tab, and just preview the page. Make sure that we have the correct page. Now in this case, it looks as if we do. So we can then build on the front end, click on this. Do not click on Return to Standard Editor because that'll wipe out everything on the page. Build on front end will simply take you to the Visual Builder, and from there you can make changes. That's really all there is to making a duplicate page, importing a layout. So we have the exact same layout here. It's on a different page, and this page is hidden, so it can now be linked. The last step, if you want to link it to a particular page, for example, in this case, Big Dreams Ahead, we'll head over to Big Dreams Ahead, and we can then enable Visual Builder on this page. And from there, we will link over to the giving page that we just created for Big Dreams Ahead. So we can then click on the button, click on the settings icon here, click on link, and you can either paste the URL here of the page, or you can use dynamic content since it is a page that exists on the website. Select page link, and Big Dreams Ahead Giving is pre-filled for us. So click the green check mark, click it again, and then click on the purple button to access the Save and Publish button. And we now have a working Give Now link. If you want to head over to the new giving page and make some adjustments, you can then click on Give Now and enable Visual Builder. For any other tips and tutorials and additional help, please reach out to Gradelink website support.